Hey guys, welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Now for today's product that we are going to be reviewing, we've got a power bank. Now this is supposedly a 5,000 milliamp power bank that I was able to find at Walmart on clearance for just $2. Now I think that's a really fair price for a power bank of any sort, even if it's not at the capacity that you'd like it to be. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, see what it's all about, and give you guys an idea of what to expect. Alright, so this power bank is going to come in a pretty nice little package here. It's got two USB ports, 5,000 milliamp. It's got a 2.1 amp rapid charge output, $2 at Walmart. It's got an LED display, an on-off button, 2 full charges is what it claims. Charges iPhone, iPod, Galaxy, Android, and USB devices. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now what do we get? Now what we get in this package is we get your power bank and a charging cable that can be used to charge the power bank or to charge your device through the power bank. So that's pretty useful. Now first look at the device. It's got this LED display panel, I believe is what that is. It's got your 2 USB ports, the charging port to charge the power bank, a power button, and it's got some writing here on the back with some of the details on it, made in China. I believe it's a plastic case, but it does seem to be very high quality built. It's very sturdy actually. I feel like dropping it like that's not going to affect anything. Let's see what happens when we hit the power button. Okay, so it does come with a little bit of a charge. It's got a nice little LED display. It's got 27% charge. It's nice that it tells you how much charge it has, because some power banks don't, and you don't know how much charge you have left to charge your device. And obviously it turns off by itself if it's not charging anything. So let's go ahead and plug this thing into a phone. Alright, so you're going to get that charger. We're going to plug it into one of these, and then we are going to plug it into the $20 smartphone that I reviewed in the first video of the channel. Obviously it doesn't start charging automatically. You've got to turn on the power button and you're charging. And the phone is currently at 59%. So let's see how long it takes for this phone to go up to the next percentage. And look at that. It's only been maybe about a minute and we're up to 60%. And the portable charger is still at 27. What this tells me is that this charger will bring your phone up 2% for every 1% that it drains, because it's a 5,000 milliamp charger and your average phone has about 2,500 milliamp battery capacity. So that's very convenient. You get 2 charges out of it. It's a high quality build. It's definitely a portable charger. You know, it's not too big. It can fit in the pocket. I've noticed if you press the power button while it's on, it doesn't do anything. Maybe if you hold it. Now, so as long as it's plugged in and charging, you don't have to worry about accidentally tapping the power button and making it stop charging. It's got to be unplugged, and I believe it shuts off on its own at that point. So that is the $2 portable charger that I got at Walmart. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. This product turned out to be very nice for a $2 price tag. It was on clearance, so I don't know if you'll be able to find it for that kind of price, but check out your local Walmart. You just might find a good deal. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video. Subscribe, because I'm doing lots more reviews. Ordered 35 more products that I'm going to be getting in over the next month to 3 months from now. And we're going to be reviewing all of them, very budget friendly, so all of you can get them. Very interesting products, so stay tuned for that. Have a nice day and don't get shot.